Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at the Air Max 90 by Nike in collaboration with Basement, a London-based creative collective and Facebook group. This is the Air Max 90 Basement Glasgow. These released here in the UK on Saturday the 5th of October 2019 for the retail price of £140. Big shout out to N Clothing for the in-store raffle win, and this is the first release of the British triple pack that also includes London and Manchester. It comes in your black Nike Live slide out box, wrapped in plain wrapping paper. They also included an extra set of what looks like a dark beige or oatmeal grey laces. A nice detail is that these laces come with real people and real things on the lace tips, and the overall packaging is nice, but a special box would have been even nicer. But we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Like its name suggests, this shoe is inspired by Glasgow, more specifically the tradition of placing traffic cones on the heads of the Duke of Wellington statue at the heart of the city centre. This explains the water-resistant smoke grey upper, orange leather tongue, and reflective translucent swooshes that sits on both sides of the mid panel, and the Nike Air debossed heel tab, so they expect these to pop at night. The orange traffic cone theme continues with the insoles, with the slogan "Real people do real things" at the centre of the heel. More of that slogan can be seen on the translucent light grey outsole. I think the greatest strength about this shoe is the subtle detail. I love the ripstop nylon, soft synthetic suede, pattern leather and padded canvas, seamlessly matching in that neutral grey tone. I also like the debossed Nike Basement logo at the tongue, and that tea-towel lining feels premium yet sweat wicking for that performance element. The overall shape is much better compared to the recent Air Max 90s, plus I appreciate that Nike used the bigger air bubbles. Sure, Air Max 90 fans know that this is not a perfect retro, it's much better than what we've been seeing recently, especially the Air Max 90 Viatex. However, this shoe is far from perfect. My pair had the usual suspects from Nike's recent retros: midsole glue stains, inconsistent midsole paint job, defects, this time specifically on the right tongue, which is disappointing, but I was able to exchange my pair, so it does feel a lot better. Overall, this pair really surprised me. I was glad I was able to get mine for retail, and I look forward to checking out the rest of the pack. Congratulations to the Basement guys for such a big collab. And if anyone from the Basement is watching this, please help your boy out, get that London and Manchester pair. All jokes aside, sizing wise, stay true to size. So here are my thoughts on the shoe. Now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment cone to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual, all relevant links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.